Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KN Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So let me first open my Sublime text editor. Okay, in this Sublime text editor, you can see there is a file called sheetsavailable.php is opened. So follow me from line number 1125. Okay, if fetch bus name query result, inside if block we will have while loop. Okay, and while loop we will have a condition as a row variable which is assigned associative array delivered by MySQL fetch associative method, which is a itself and predefined method, inside which there will be variable called fetch bus name query result. Okay, if it is so, inside while loop we will have a variable name bus name to store the name of bus, which is returned by a row variable having the index with the value bus name. So whatever the associative array delivered by MySQL fetch associative method, we will assign it to the row variable, and which in turn fetched by the bus name index. Okay, and that will be assigned to a bus name variable that we have created right now. So that's it. Now outside of if block, inside of if block and outside of while block, we will have another variable fetch admin id query. Which will store the SQL query of selecting user ID from our database. User ID from user where email is equal to $email. So here email is basically a email of a specific user that is used during login process. So we will enclose inside double inverted comma, and after that we will have semicolon to terminate this SQL query. Now fire this SQL query using MySQL query method and store the result inside a fetch admin id query result variable. Okay, and MySQL query method, as you know that it accepts two parameters. First is connection variable and second one is the SQL query variable. Now if this boolean returns true, wait a minute, admin. Okay, if this boolean returns true, then we will have a statement inside a if block as a while loop with the conditions as a row variables that stores the associative method of associative array of admin that will be fetched from the admin table of our database. fetch admin id query result. Admin id query result. Inside while loop we will have user id, which stores the user id coming from database through a row variable having the index user id. Now outside a while loop, inside if block, which is started from line number 1134, so don't confuse, this is the line number and this is the opening braces for the closing braces of 1141. So it's okay, outside while loop, inside if block, we will have another PHP variable insert ticket detail query. And don't worry about the concept, I will tell you after writing my codes. So just keep patience and follow me line by line. Insert ticket detail query. Insert into ticket details. Ticket details and ticket number and values will be ticket number coming from the user, respective user. Now we will fire this query using MySQL query method. Okay. After firing this query and storing the result inside insert ticket detail query result variable, we will have if block containing the variable insert ticket detail query result. Okay, if this returns true, then we will have another PHP variable update ticket admin query. Admin query, and we will store another SQL query inside this ticket admin query variable, and the query will be update ticket details. Set admin ID admin ID that is equal to user ID. Okay, where ticket number is equal to ticket number provided by the user or passenger. Now we will fire this query again and store the result into a update ticket admin query result variable, and we will fire this query using MySQL query method. update ticket admin query. So that's it. And same as previous, if this PHP variable update ticket admin query result returns true or returns boolean true, then we will have nothing inside this code. We can print here that is ticket is updated or not, but that doesn't require. Okay, now moving to the next part. Okay, line number 1154. Yes, here. We will have for each loop of PHP, inside which we will have chosen seat HPHP variable, inside which we will have fetch seat status query HPHP variable, seat status query. That stores our boolean, our SQL query select status from bus seats, where seat number is equal to value, seat number dot is equal to value. Value is the value given here. Okay, this value will be the value of this value seat number. Seat number is equal to value, and bus name will be bus name. Now fire this query using MySQL query method and stores the result into the fetch seat status query result. Fetch seat status query result. MySQL query $con $fetch seat status fetch seat. Actually my autocomplete what is not showing here. Fetch seat status query. Okay, now if this returns true, that is if fetch seat status query result variable returns true or boolean true. Okay, fetch seat status, then we will have while loop inside a if block having the conditions as a row variable that stores the associative array coming from database, specifically inside a table bus seats. Okay, MySQL query fetch associate. MySQL fetch associate is a PHP predefined method, as I told you in last video. Which takes a parameter fetch seat status query result. Okay, Okay, here the variable will be sheet status to store the status of sheet, which sheets that are chosen by a passenger on random during their booking of seats. If seat status that is equal to booked, then we will have $K++. If it is not so, then we will have else block containing the condition as a PHP variable update sheet query. Okay, I think this is enough for this video. We will continue the rest of it in this video because time is already up to the mark, so we can't continue this video onwards. Thank you. See you in next video. Stay tuned with us.